Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi S3 brake pads. First, ensure you have all the correct tools, including a jack stands, and a lug wrench. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear and working on a level surface. Once prepared, carefully lift your vehicle and remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by locating and removing the two caliper guide pins or bolts that secure the caliper. Once these are out, gently slide the caliper off the rotor and support it without straining the brake line. You can then easily pull out the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper and bracket surfaces to ensure proper fitment. Use a caliper piston compression tool to slowly push the piston back into the caliper body. Then, insert the new brake pads, ensuring they sit correctly, and carefully reattach the brake caliper to its mounting bracket. To finish, reinstall the caliper guide pins or bolts and tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Once the brake assembly is secure, put the wheel back on and lower your Audi S3 safely to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the new pads and test the brakes at low speed in a safe area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.